Hi guys, so you are here because you have signed up and you're ready to learn how to create an online business without putting any money down. This is an introductory video. This video is to let you know how we're going to go about it and to give you just the basic house rules so that we all just get off on the right foot from the get-go. We are going to start off with a lesson where we're figuring out what you are good at. If you think you're not good at anything, we're going to find it. Don't worry. You are good at something. You wouldn't be alive this long if you weren't good at something, okay? So we're going to do that, and we're going to figure out what business comes together from the things that you're passionate about and the things that you're skilled at, okay? So the housekeeping of the comment section, I'm going to need you guys to remember that everyone is here to learn, that we can get more done if we are encouraging and support each other every step of the way instead of being trolls or whatever. And if you do see people trolling, please report it, because let's keep a great atmosphere in the comment section. And I will delete people and comments who are not being polite or who are not being helpful in any way, shape, or form. This is not the place we are coming to troll, okay? The format of how every lesson is going to go is I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to tell you what we're doing in the lesson. So, for example, the very first lesson is going to be about us finding your skills and your passions and all of that good stuff. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to give you the questions that you need to ask yourself, and then you are going to do it. So the first lesson is going to be short, but it's going to require you to really put the time and think about what your answers are and feel through the answers. Do you get what I mean? So you're going to then do the work, and then when you're done, you're going to put your homework in the comment section. So, for example, if you discover that what you are passionate about is cooking and what you know how to do is cook, and you're thinking of starting, I don't know, an online cooking blog or an online cooking vlog, and that's what you want your business to be, then you're going to put in the comment section that one of your passions is cooking. And so you're going to put cooking, and you're really good at it. And so this is what you're thinking of doing. That's the homework. You telling us after you've gone through a basic number of your skills and whatever, and once you've gone through your skills and you have gone through what you're competent in, and also looked at what does the market need. Do you think the market needs another cooking show? Or do you think, yes, they need another cooking show, but obviously it's going to have your spin on it. So think about what the spin might be. Anyway, you're going to put in the comment section what you've come up with after looking at all the different skills that you've got. You're going to put it in the comment section. So now what's important, and this is going back to housekeeping, that we're going to be encouraging, we're going to be polite, we're going to give constructive criticism, right? So you guys are going to do this in the comment section because I cannot promise to get through every single person. So you guys are going to help each other in the comment section. So you'll say, oh, I can see this idea taking off, or whatever the case is, or hey, have you thought of this? You know, I love your idea, but have you thought of adding this? Have you thought of taking this away? Whatever the case is, right? You're not going to troll each other in the comment section. Please, there is no time for that. We're all here to learn. And then, and the reason we're doing it that way is to make sure that things are getting done as we are learning. Okay, you're not going to learn everything and then only start to implement later. I'm a huge believer in action creates clarity. And please understand, the first thing that you put does not have to be rubber stamped. You may think this is what it is. If you change your mind, you're very welcome to do so. You can change your mind and be like, actually, I'm better at this and I enjoy this more. And therefore, I'm looking to create a business around this thing. Perfectly fine, okay? So don't feel like you are stuck in whatever you put on the very first day of doing the work, okay? And as I've explained, that the week, so this lesson's going to go up, and then you've got the week to ask questions, obviously put in your homework, all of that good stuff. And then in that week, I'll also be spending the time responding to any questions that I see maybe coming back up repeatedly and maybe need a video. Then I will do a video response to those questions. And then what we also need to think about, once we've started, I need you guys to let me know if you want us to have a live session every week. So maybe every Wednesday at 7 p.m. or something, we can get together, have a live session. And this is where you can ask maybe your questions, any questions you might have after a lesson drops. So we'll have a lesson that drops on a Monday. And then on Wednesday, that's when you can ask questions, because I think from Monday to Wednesday, you would have had enough time to kind of wrap your head around what's happening and what needs to happen and all of that good stuff. So this is just an introductory video, as I said. To get the first lesson, you're going to have to go to the first lesson that's right after this video. And until next time, I wish you the courage to live the life of your dreams. Bye, mamas.